Hey there! Today we're going to tackle a common problem that many users face with their displays. Have you ever found yourself squinting at your Apple Studio display because it's just too darn bright? It's a real problem, isn't it? The brightness control doesn't seem to do much to reduce the intensity, and after prolonged use, your eyes start feeling the strain. But fear not, because there is a solution to this eye-squinting dilemma. In the world of display settings, there lies a hidden gem that can help alleviate your brightness woes. Deep within your system settings, under the display section, you'll find a magical drop-down menu called Presets. This nifty feature allows you to create a customized preset that can control the overall intensity of your screen. By adjusting the maximum luminance value in your custom preset, you can dial down the brightness to a more comfortable level. It's like giving your eyes a soothing spa day after being bombarded by intense light. So, the solution to your eye strain issue lies in the power of presets. By creating a custom preset and tweaking the maximum luminance value, you can reduce the screen intensity to a more eye-friendly level. Say goodbye to squinting and hello to a more comfortable viewing experience. Remember, your eyes will thank you for it. And on that bright note, it's time to wrap up this video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below. Until next time, keep shining bright but not too bright, okay?